Whether it's your social media profiles, LinkedIn, resume, or professional website, having a high quality professional profile photo, also known as a headshot, is critical for making a strong first impression and building reputation and trust in public relations and businesses. Therefore, in this video, I will show you how you can easily turn your selfies or phone captured unprofessional images into high quality studio like headshots right from the comfort of your home without the need of a professional photographer. In the later part of the video, I will be comparing my own random selfies and AI generated headshots so that you can get an idea if the tool is worth it. To do this, I found a very helpful and easy to use AI tool called BetterPic that transforms your selfies into professional headshots tailored to a variety of needs. You can choose from a wide range of outfits and backgrounds to match your style or purpose. Now, without any delay, let's see how to use BetterPic for generating professional headshots. After signing up, you can choose to generate headshots for a person, or you can also choose to generate it for your entire team of employees. Next, it will guide you through the entire process, which is quite easy. Fill in the basic information such as name, ethnicity, gender, and eye color. You can select up to 3 use cases to define your purpose of generating headshots. It provides you a wide variety of background options to choose from, but the most suitable and popular for most purpose is the studio style. Similarly, I am choosing business as clothing style and charcoal gray to be the color being most preferred one. In the next step, you will be asked to upload a few pictures of yourself. These can be selfies taken on the spot or existing photos you have already clicked. Just make sure the photos are close-up shots where you are looking directly at the camera with good lighting and decent image quality. You will also see some examples of the types of photos you should avoid uploading. For this demo, I will be uploading 8 of my own photo selfies. Now you can upload the photos from your computer or mobile using QR code. Then select the primary image that resembles you the most. You can also crop a full body or a group photo, just make sure the quality stays good. If you want to learn how to enhance image quality or fix a blurred photo, you can check out this video. Here are the 8 photos including a few selfies that I will be using to generate a professional headshots. Once all the photos are uploaded, the tool will show a quality score for each individual photo as well as overall score. Ideally, each photo should have a quality score above 80%. If any photo scores low, you will need to replace it with a better quality one. In my case, all the 8 photos have been approved, so we are good to proceed to the next step. Next, select the hairstyle, hair color, and body type that best match your photos. These selections help guide the AI, but the final images will mainly be generated based on the photos you uploaded. Once you click confirm and continue, your order will be placed. You can track your order either from your account or through the email notification you receive. It may take up to an hour to generate the headshots, but typically it's done within 30 minutes. Once the photos are ready, you can view them under My Orders. The platform itself mentions that you should expect some images that you may not like at all and probably won't use. However, around 40% of the photos are usually decent, and you will likely get at least 3 to 10 images that are just awesome, matching your vibe, expression, and style quite well. I'm really excited to see how my AI generated headshots turns out to be. And here are the photos. Let's have a look at them. I must say, some of them are quite impressive. They match my actual face shape, style, and expression really well, and I will be marking those as my favorites. Others, however, do not resemble me accurately. Some might even look like my older version or like my sibling. It's best to shortlist the photos that truly reflect your appearance. The tool itself mentions that it does not make any fake promises, which I really appreciate. You can download all the photos at once, download individually, or batch download only the photos you have marked as your favorites. Let's now compare my original selfies with the headshots generated by BetterPic. As you can see, the selfies were taken casually with no proper background, casual clothing, and awkward angle, so they are not really suitable for professional use or even for social media. In contrast, the images on the right are high quality, professional looking headshots created using BetterPic. Achieving this kind of result would typically require a professional photographer, a studio setup, proper lighting, makeup, and right outfit, which can be quite expensive. Also, most other AI tools are too generic and may not be up to the mark when it comes to producing truly professional headshots. Once you have filtered out the best headshots, you can use BetterPic's AI editing feature to customize them further. For example, you can change the clothing, adjust the background, correct the skin tone, change eye color, or even remove the background entirely, making the images perfect for usage in presentations, thumbnails, posters, or banners. And if needed, you also have the option to get your photos professionally edited by a real human. Here are some of the AI edits I tried, changing outfits, colors, and backgrounds. You can experiment with different combinations to find what best suits your needs and personality. But what really matters is how do these headshots actually look when used in real life. For this, I'm going to test them on LinkedIn, Facebook, and my CV so that you can see its exact significance. They can be used for a variety of purposes, from job applications to personal branding. Remember, your photo says a lot about you, and people do judge based on the appearances, so make sure it's a great one. So that's how you turn simple selfies into professional headshots, no studio or photographer needed. BetterPic makes the process smooth, affordable, and gives you high quality images ready for your CV, LinkedIn, or any professional use and leave an impact you want to see on others. BetterPic offers multiple pricing plans based on your needs. I found the results really impressive and worth the investment, especially when compared with the cost and effort needed for a traditional photo shoot. If you wish to try, you can check out the best buy link given in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments. For more practical AI tools and tips, do check out my AI series of videos and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You can also join my channel membership for exclusive perks. Thanks, and I will see you in my next video.